Hi guys, I'm Rayhan. I want to make a podcast about Anies Baswedan and this is my team. Go! Ah! So,
Halo guys, my name is Rizal Ramdhani and Halo guys, my name is Muhammad Saidan.
Hello guys, my name is Hatta.
Halo guys, my name is Iman Abdurrahman.
Hey guys, my name is Zefania Alton.
Hey guys, my name is Gani Irham Ramadan.
and this is group of Anies. Halo guys.
Halo.
Dear Adonis, I'm sorry that man is your...
Good morning, listeners. You're tuning into ABA FM, where ideas inspire action. And I'm Rayhan.
And I'm Zefania.
And I'm Hatta. Today we have a very exciting topic to explore how we can restore the branding image of Anies Baswedan, focusing on his commitment to positive change, releasing innovative ideas for the community.
Anies Baswedan is no stranger to innovation. He is a leader who consistently demonstrates his passion for transforming communities through impactful initiatives. But keeping that legacy alive requires constant recommitment to the principle of positive change.
That's so true, Raihan. When we think of Anies, we remember projects like the Jakarta Smart City or when he improved the train stations of Jakarta. These weren't just technical advancements, they were game changers for the community's welfare.
Excellently, Zefania. This initiative show a deep understanding of the community's needs. Positive change is about temporary fixes. It's about building sustainable systems that empower people for the long run.
And one way Anies has always stood out is by embracing innovative ideas. Think about it, he has taken bold steps to modernize urban space, improve education access, and even tackle environmental challenges.
Yes, and restoring his branding image starts by reminding the people of these accomplishments while doubling down on his future visions. It's not about the past, it's about what's next.
So let's break it down for our listener. Restoring this image is rooted in three pillars. First, transparency and listening. A leader must stay connected to the people.
Second, empowering collaboration. No great thing happens alone. It's team effort.
And third, delivering consistent result. At the end of the day, action speaks louder than words.
Restoring his image means doubling down on this principle. It's about reminding people of his track record and demonstrating a clear vision for the future.
And let's not forget the importance of collaboration. Leaders like Anies have to show that working hand in hand with communities, an expert can bring big ideas to life.
Absolutely. To move forward, the focus should be on the three keys pillars: staying transparent, empowering others, and delivering consistent results. Positive change doesn't just happen, it's built through dedication and action.
Anies Baswedan's legacy is proof that commitment and innovation can transform communities. Let's keep the momentum going and continue to champion ideas that truly make a difference. And with that, we wrap up this inspiring discussion. Anies Baswedan's journey reminds us that positive change is shared responsibility, one that thrives on innovation, collaboration, and clear vision for the future.
Let's take these lessons to heart, both as individuals and as a community, and continue working towards a brighter future.
Thank you for joining us today, listeners. Remember, great leader inspire, but is collective effort that drive real impact. Let's say committed to positive change in every way can.
And this is Rayhan.
This is Zefania,
And Atta.
signing off from ABA FM.
Until next time, stay inspired and take action. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Man is your father, let me be honest. It takes a man
Hello
to...
everyone, welcome back to ABA FM. And I'm Rizal.
And I'm Gani.
So today we want to talk about transparency leadership, communicating truth to the public.
It's great to have you here. Today we're talking about something really important, something that affects how we feel the people in charge of our organization, communities, and even our countries.
That's right. Leadership isn't just about making big decisions. It's also about how leaders communicate with the people they're responsible for. And one of the most crucial aspects of that is transparency, being open, honest, and accountable.
Exactly. You've probably heard the saying, honestly is the best police. policy? Well, when it comes to leadership, it's not just the best policy, it's the policy. Let's dive in and unpack why transparency is so essential and how it helps leaders build trust. Transparency is the foundation of trust in leadership. When leaders are open and honest, they create a sense of accountability and respect. People want to know the truth even when it's difficult. That honestly builds credibility and strength relationship with the public.
Exactly. But being transparent doesn't mean just sharing everything recklessly. It's about being strategic, knowing what to communicate and when, so the message is clear and doesn't cause unnecessary confusion or fear. Leader must remember that communication isn't just about delivering information. It's about ensuring that the information builds trust rather than erodes it.
That's an important point. For instance, in times of crisis, a leader's transparency can either calm or escalate a situation. If there's a problem, admitting it, explaining the context, and providing a clear plan to overcome it can inspire confidence. It shows the public that the leader is both human and responsible and that they are actively working to find solutions.
Right. And transparency also involves owning up to mistake. When leaders admit they've made an error, it can actually enhance their credibility. It shows they're not afraid to take accountability. People are much more forgiving of mistakes if they see honesty and a commitment to fixing the problem.
True, and beyond just admitting mistake, it's about follow-up. Transparency without action can backfire. For example, if a leader acknowledges a challenge but doesn't take visible steps to address it, trust can erode even faster. People need to see that transparency comes hand in hand with responsibility.
I agree. Transparency isn't just about sharing bad news. So, it's also all about being open with the good things, celebrating wins, sharing progress, and showing how decisions are being made for the betterment of everyone. This kind of openness creates a sense of inclusion, as if the public is part of the journey, not just watching from the sideline.
Exactly. And let's not forget the role of empathy. When communicating truth, leaders need to show that they understand and care about the concerns of the people. For example, saying, "We understand this is a difficult situation for many, and here's what we're doing to address it," makes a big difference in how the message is received. It's not just about the information, it's about the connection.
And that's where consistency becomes crucial. If a leader is only transparent when it's convenient, people will question their motives. But if they consistently communicate openly, whether it's good news, bad news, or even uncertain situation, it builds a reputation of trustworthiness over time.
Yes, consistency is a key. Transparency isn't a one-time act, it's an ongoing commitment. It requires courage to admit when things aren't perfect, but it also shows strength. Leaders who consistently communicate truthfully create a culture of openness, not just for themselves, but for the entire organization or community they lead.
And let's not overlook how transparency can inspire collaboration when leaders share the reality of a situation. It encourages others to step up and contribute. For example, during a financial challenge, if leaders are open about the problem and invite ideas or solutions, it can bring people together and create innovative outcomes.
That's a great point. Transparency isn't just a leadership trait, it's a leadership strategy. It empowers others, builds trust, and ensures that everyone is moving in the same direction. When leaders lead by example, it inspires others to be honest and communicate as well, which help in solving problems collectively.
In the end, transparency might not always be easy, but it's always worth it. It's about respect, integrity, and the courage to lead with authenticity. Leaders who embrace transparency don't just lead, they inspire trust and loyalty from those they serve.
And that's the ultimate goal of leadership, not just making decisions, but earning the trust and respect of the people. Transparency isn't just a responsibility, it's the bridge that connect leaders to the communication they serve.
Okay, so thank you.
Hi Jidan. Have you ever thought about how important integrity is for trust in our society? Absolutely, Jidan. Integrity is the foundation of trust. Without it, relationship, whether personal or professional, start to crumble. Exactly. When people act with integrity, it builds confidence among community members. They know they can rely on another. Right. It's like a chain reaction. If one person is honest and keeps their word, others feel encouraged to do the same. It creates a culture of trust. I agree. But what do you think happens when someone breaks the trust? That's a tough situation. Once trust is broken, it can take a long time to rebuild. People become skeptical and might hesitate to engage with others. True, it can lead to a cycle of distrust, making it harder for community to work together. Integrity is crucial for collaboration. Definitely, and it is not just about individuals, organizations of governments also need to show integrity. When they do, it furthers a stronger bond with the public. Well said. So, how do you think we can promote integrity in our daily life? I think it starts with small actions, being honest, keeping promise, and leading by example. If we model integrity, others will likely follow. That's a great approach. If everyone takes responsibility for their action, we can create a more trustworthy society. Absolutely. Trust is essential for progress and integrity is the key to achieving it. Thank you.
Tuh, nah ya kayak gini deh tuh. Ya vibing aja, Cok. Alright everyone, that's all I put up ya.
We from Group Anis Basweda says everyone, thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Good morning everyone. Salah cocok.
Iya, blooper.
Ngapain begitu?